Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. And I thought today I would make a fun craft with you. All right, St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon. So you can make some crafts for St. Patrick's Day. So I thought we would do one. I'll show you the supplies you need to make this craft. But hit the subscribe button, then you'll be able to see my other videos. Thank you. All right, so for this craft, we're going to be doing cutting practice. You need your scissors. Make sure an adult knows you're using scissors. You're going to need one piece of green paper. You're going to need crayon or a marker or a pen, something to draw with. You're going to need some clear contact paper. This is the stuff that's going to make it see-through so we can make our sun catcher. We're making a Shamrock Suncatcher. You're just going to need a little square of this. And then we're going to need something to stick in the middle of the sun catcher. So I have tissue paper in different colors. I have different color tissue paper. Yellow, blue, red, pink, green, orange. All kinds of fun colors, and so we will be using that. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to draw a shamrock shape onto your green paper or whatever color you use. If you don't have green, that's fine too. And then we will be, and you need to cut it out. So, got my scissors. And I'm going to cut out my shamrock. Make sure you're looking at your work while you're cutting. Follow the lines you drew. And then I have a shamrock. Okay? Now, the middle of the shamrock is where we're going to put the colorful tissue paper, or if you have confetti. So you have to cut some of the shamrock out in the middle. So the easiest way to do it is to fold it in half and do a little pinch. A little pinch with your scissors. That way you can get your scissor into the middle of your shamrock. So what you're doing is cutting a window in the middle of your shamrock where we're going to put the colorful tissue paper and where the light will shine through. I like to make these for different holidays. They're super fun. You can make one for Valentine's, you can make a heart shape, you can make one for Christmas. So this is an easy craft to make for the different holidays. And it doesn't take that many items to make it. So I'm just cutting my shamrock center out. If you need help, ask for help. And then I'll show you how we make it a decoration for your sun catcher for your window. All right, so this is what it looks like when you cut the middle out of your shamrock. See the little leaves? It's a 4-leaf clover. All right, now I'm going to show you how you cut contact paper. So I have the contact paper and I'm just gonna like cut a square, and that way I will show you how we do this. Hi, here's my piece of contact, and that's the back, and this is the clear front. So you're going to take this part, the white part is like, it's like a sticker, a big sticker. So I'm going to pull the white part off. Now you got to be careful because it's sticky once the white part comes off. So it's best to try to do this laying it on the table. And I'm going to point my camera on and show you how I am pulling the sticker off the back of my contact paper. Keeping it flat on my table. You know, if you don't have contact paper, another way to do this is packing tape. If you have a roll of packing tape, clear packing tape, you can put that down on sticky side up in the middle of your shamrock, and you can still make this craft. Okay, so I'm going to place the shamrock in the middle. Down my finger a little bit. I'm going to turn it around and show you. There we go. There we go. All right. So now I have my tissue paper in little bits. You can rip it. You can rip it. You can cut it. I've got different colors. Look, I've got yellow. Got pink. And red. Oh, look at blue. Blue. I'm gonna get some green because it wouldn't be St. Patrick's Day without green. I have a piece of tissue paper here, and I'm gonna put some green on there. Push it down. Let's have some orange. I have orange here. Orange will look beautiful. Orange. Oh, I see purple. Purple looks so pretty on the camera. More orange. I like the orange. And of course, yellow. Oh, dark pink. Dark pink and light pink make a good rainbow. More red. Red will look nice. How about a different blue? Blue. And a light pink. I wonder if we have any white. There is a light blue. I like it. It's very pretty. I'll put that in the middle. I like this blue I found. This purple. So it doesn't matter how you make yours. Everybody's just gonna look different. They're gonna all be fabulous. And once you like how it looks, then you gotta find a spot on your window to hang it up. Let the light shine through. And with the sunny days coming ahead, it will look beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit more green because it is St. Patrick's Day. Okay. You fill it as much as you want. If you don't want it all filled, then don't fill it all up. But if you do want it all filled, fill it all up. Blue, I'm just gonna put another piece of blue here. I am gonna show you mine. Beautiful. There is my shamrock. Here's my shamrock. I'm gonna go find a nice place on my window to put it up. Everybody have a good day and tune back next time for another craft with Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts.